Hey guys, in this video we're in chapter 4 on exponential and logarithmic functions, and we're in section 4 on logarithmic functions. So we're doing problems 38 through 40, which say match each function with the letter corresponding to its graph. So we're given this graph with A, B, and C graphs and 3 different equations to match to these. So what we're going to do first is we're going to determine what's the parent function of all of these. So we've got the basic form of a logarithm is the parent function. And we have the parent function for logarithms is going to be p of x equals log base b of x. And this b factor, the base, all that's going to do to our basic logarithm is it's going to stretch and compress the graph. So we have our basic logarithm is going to look like this as its graph. So what happens when we add 2 to it? When you look at all of these, we notice that one thing they all have in common is we have this plus 2. So if we have p of x equals log base b of x plus 2, what this plus 2 does is it's going to move our graph. It's going to shift it 2 units to the left. So now, instead of crossing at what's usually 1, we'll cross at -1. Like that. Cool, so now we have our parent function. And if we notice, we have our log base b of x plus 2 looks like 40. So we look and we see that our graph A looks like our parent function. So we have that 40 corresponds to graph A. Cool, so now we have that. Next we're going to look at where our negatives are placed at 38 and 39. So when we have the negative of this, what that's going to do is it's actually going to flip it across the x-axis. Why does it do that? Well, because we have, instead of our p of x being equal to the parent function, we're flipping it so that it's negative. So all of our y values that were negative at first, they're going to become positive. So this one will become here, and all of these will map opposite. So we'll have a function that looks like that. So it'll be function c. And the only one left for 38 to be is graph B. And if you notice graph B, all it does is it takes the parent function A, and since we have a negative x in here, it flips it across the y-axis. So there you go, number 38 maps to graph B, 39 is graph C, and 40 is graph A. And those are the answers. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts we covered in this video are true no matter what pre-calculus class you take, and the examples I cover are from this textbook right here. And remember, if you're a Baylor student currently enrolled, there is free tutoring on the first floor of Sidrich. You can create a one-on-one appointment online or drop in anytime during our business hours. Please visit our website, www.baylor.edu/tutoring, for more details. Sic 'em Bears.